Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to master the toolbar on Google Slides. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your skills, knowing how to use the toolbar efficiently can make creating presentations a breeze. First, let's head over to Google Slides. Open your web browser, go to Google Slides, and sign into your Google account. This step is crucial because it lets you access your presentations anywhere and keeps everything synced with other Google Workspace apps. Once you're in, you'll land on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can start a new presentation or open an existing one. For this guide, let's click on Blank Presentation. You could also choose a template if you want a head start with design inspiration. Now, take a look at the toolbar, right below the menu at the top of the screen. You might wonder why it's so important. This toolbar houses the tools you'll use most often to create and polish your slides, making it an essential part of your workspace. Starting with the View menu, this is where you can customize what appears on your screen. You can toggle rulers, guides, and grid lines to help align objects perfectly on your slides. Next, the Insert menu is your go-to for adding images, charts, or multimedia. Whether it's a photo from your computer or a chart that visualizes data, inserting these elements is quick and easy, and it makes your presentation more engaging. The Format menu is all about styling your text and objects. Here, you can change fonts, text size, colors, and even adjust object arrangements, like sending an image to the back or grouping elements together. A well-formatted slide not only looks professional, but also keeps your audience focused. And don't forget the other menus. They give you options like switching themes, translating slides, and exploring additional tools that make Google Slides a powerful platform for creating dynamic presentations. So there you have it, a simple walkthrough of the Google Slides toolbar. The key is to explore and experiment with these tools. The more you practice, the smoother and more professional your presentations will become. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips to boost your productivity and presentation skills.